Okay, again, make sure you have your Go Math book out. We're going to open it to page 152, 152, okay? Page 152. Make sure you are muted. I don't want to have to put your guys' name on the blurting board. Thank you. Okay, so for this problem number 8 right there, it says, use what you know about doubles to complete the key. Write the missing sums. Who can remind me what a doubles fact is? What's a doubles fact? Go ahead, Zayden.
It's a number, so if you do 2 plus 1, that's not a double stack. If you do 2 plus 2, that's a double stack.
Right. Good job, Zayden. That's a really good explanation. It has to have the same number being added together, right? So 3 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 6 plus 6, those are all doubles facts. Okay, so for this one, it wants us to solve, but it doesn't give us a ton of the numbers. Like for this one right here, there's no numbers in there. And we don't have any on our key. So we're going to go and solve the ones that do have numbers, and we're going to just know that those ones are double stacks, okay? And then we'll put that into our key so we can solve for the rest of them. So we're going to start with this top one here. It says blank plus blank equals 4. Who knows what the doubles fact is for 4? Zayden, go ahead.
4.
For 4, what plus what equals 4?
4.
4 plus 4 equals 8. What plus what equals 4?
Like what makes it 4?
Yeah, what makes to 4? So it has to be a number smaller than 4.
3.
3 plus 3. Let's see. If I have 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, how many fingers am I holding up? 6. Yep. So it can't be 3. What other number could it be? Has to be smaller than 3. 1 plus 1 equals
2.
Yep. So it has to be bigger than 1, smaller than 3. What's the last number that we have?
2.
2. Good job. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And because we know that, we're going to put that in our key now under the yellow dot, a number 2. Okay, make sure you are following along in your book. All right, we're going to go down to the next one that has a number so we can find all of our key. All right, now we have a 6, and Miss Cheatham gave you this one earlier. Who remembers what plus what equals 6? Looking for hands. Sophia. 3. Good job. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So we are going to put that one in our key as well. So all of our blue dots are going to be 3. And all of our yellow dots are going to equal 2. All right. Last one that we have that has any of our numbers says 8. Who knows what plus what equals 8? What is our doubles fact for 8? Miss Cheatham gave you this one earlier too. Xander.
4 plus 4.
Good job, Xander. 4 plus 4. He had that one so fast. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I'm going to put that one in my key, and now we have all of our dots figured out. So we're going to go back up to this one because that's our first one that doesn't have any numbers. and we're going to fill in for all of our missing numbers, okay? So I see that my yellow dot equals 2, so I'm going to write 2 in there. And my blue dot equals 3, so I'm going to write 3 in there. Who knows what 2 plus 3 equals? Alakai, do you know what 2 plus 3 equals?
Five.
Good job. 2 plus 3 equals 5. You got that so fast, Alakai. Good job. All right. We're going to skip this one because this one is done. We're going to fill in for this one now. My blue dot equals 3, so I'm going to put in 3 right there. My red dot equals 4, so I'm going to put in 4 for my red dot. And it's saying 3 plus 4. Liam, do you know what 3 plus 4 is?
Seven.
Good job. 3 plus 4 equals 7.
It takes a while. It takes a while for me to think.
That's okay. However long it takes you, that's okay. We're all just learning this, so now we have all of our facts right there, and we solved it, and we got our key figured out, right? So now we're going to go on to the next problem on that page, number 9. There are 7 red cubes, and there are 8 yellow cubes. How many cubes are there in all? Use a double to add. Write the missing numbers. Hold on. Okay. What I think it's asking us to do is to turn this into a doubles fact. Okay, so we want to make this into a doubles fact. So we're going to add 1 to 7 to make that 8. And then we're just going to subtract 1. Okay, so 7 plus 8, if we add 1 to 7, that one turns into 8 plus 8. Who knows the doubles fact for 8 plus 8? Raise your hand. Zayden?
$16.
Good job. 8 plus 8 equals 16. If we subtract 1, how many does that make it, Xander? $16 minus 1, Xander. All right, Aaron. 16 minus 1.
17.
That's plus 1 minus 1, so go backwards a number.
I don't know.
What's the number that comes before 16, Aaron?
15.
There you go. Good job. So 7 plus 8 equals 15. Thank you, Aaron. All right. So we found out that 7 plus 8 equals 15. A fast way to do that as well would be just to count our blocks. All right, we're going to go on to the next page. This is page 153. 153. I'm going to put my name at the top. Make sure you guys have your name at the top of it too. Okay. This page is homework. You do not have to do that one. But you do have to do the rest, okay? So you have to do 153 and 154 as homework. I will read them to you, okay? So for these first two problems, it says use the blocks, make doubles, and then add. So you're gonna, just like what we did with the other one, you're gonna turn them into doubles, okay? So you're gonna turn 5 into 6, and then you're gonna subtract 1. Okay, and then you're going to turn 8 into 9, and then you're going to subtract 1 once you find out that doubles fact. And you guys may get started. If you have any questions, use the raise your hand button. Okay. Kieran, do you have a question, buddy?
Yeah, I need help. I need help with the one that is with the white cubes and the black cubes.
Okay. So we're wanting to make this into a doubles fact, so we can know it just like that. So we already know 6. And then we're going to have 5 plus 1 equals 6.
But my pencil got lead. Oh, crap.
Maybe you should go sharpen it then, buddy. Okay, let me know when you're back. Zayden, do you have a question?
Can you help me with number 2?
Yes, I'm gonna help Kieran with number 1 first, and then I'll help you with number 2, okay?
Okay.
All right, Kieran. Kieran, can you hear me? Did you fix your pencil?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're turning this into a doubles fact.
Mom just gave me this one. It's a lead pencil.
Oh, okay. So 6 plus 6. What does 6 plus 6 equal?
6. It equals. Wait, let me turn equals.
Zayden, please mute yourself. Not okay.
Does it equal 8?
6 plus 6. So let's count that out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
12.
Yep. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So that's our double stacked for 6 and 6. If I subtract 1, so 12 minus 1 equals what? What's the number that comes right before 12?
11.
There you go. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. All right, did that help, Kieran? Do you understand a bit more now?
Yeah.
All right. All right, Zayden. Let me find you.
I figured it out.
You figured it out?
Yeah.
All right, awesome job, Zayden.
What's the next one?
It's the next one. So for this one, we're making doubles fact again. And our bigger number is 9. Or actually, I think we've been doing this wrong, Kieran. I think it wants us to go to the smaller numbers. So 8 plus 1 plus 8. Do you know what 8 plus 8 equals?
Yeah.
What does it equal?
I try to remember. Equals 16.
Good job. 16 plus 1 equals what?
I don't know.
What's the number that comes after 16, Kieran?
17.
Yep. So 16 plus 1 equals 17. So 9 plus 8 equals 17. Make sure you guys are double checking your work. You can always count the cubes to double check your work, okay? Good job, Kieran. Now you can move on to the next one, and it says use doubles to help you add. So you're just going to add these together.
Okay, 8 plus 7. 1, 2, 3.
Jose, do you have a question?
Yes. I'm not done.
With this entire page?
Yeah.
Did you do the next page?
No, that's why I wasn't on yet.
Okay, so you can go ahead and start working on page 154 then, okay, Jose?
Okay.
Thank you for working so hard. See how you doing, Alakai? You doing okay?
Yes.
All right. How you doing, Liam?
Good.
Good. How you doing, Xander?
Fine. My mom got mad at me today.
I'm sorry, Xander. How you doing, Sophia? Sophia! She doesn't have her headphones on. How you doing, Aaron? Good. Awesome. Thank you for the thumbs up. All right, Jose, do you have another question?
Yeah. Do we need to do the math at bottom of those? Like, do you see them?
These ones?
No, go up. Up. Like,
This
to
one?
the page we were. Yeah, those little ones. Like, under the math we were doing.
You do not have to do number 7, so this one where it has the pencil, you do not have to do that one.
No, that one. Look, like at number 1. Look, see, so under it.
These ones?
Yeah.
Yes, you have to do all of this.
No, like, do you see the numbers of 3, 4, and 5? 6, 7.
Yes, you have to do all of these, Jose.
Okay.
Zayden, do you have a question?
Yes. Can you help me with number 6?
Yes, I can. All right, it says Bo has 6 toys. Mia has 7 toys. How many toys do they have? And so this is just an addition problem. And we're going to do it the same way we did the one on top. So 6 plus 6 plus 1. What's 6 plus 6, Aiden?
Um, 12.
Good job. What's 12 plus 1?
13.
Yep. So 6 plus 7 equals 13.
So that's the answer, 13.
Yep.
Okay, can you help me with the next one?
Yeah, I'll
the
read
next
that
page.
one. Yep. So I'll read that first one to you and I'll let you try and solve it yourself first, okay?
Okay.
It says use doubles to find the sum of 7 plus 8. Write the number sentence. So it's the same thing we've been doing, just with 7 and 8, okay?
Why is there like 1, 2, and then 3, 4? Those 4 of the number pads.
What?
Look, go down right there. There's 4 of them. No, up right to the
To the
number
first
1.
page?
Yeah, no. Number 1 of the second page. Those 4 pads, like number places.
Yeah, it's the same thing that we were doing. So we want to do a doubles fact, okay? So we're going to just separate our 8 so that it's 7 instead. Okay, so we're going to turn our 8 into 7 plus 1.
So it's 1 instead of an 8.
So it goes 7 plus 7 plus 1.
And then 8.
Nope, we're not going to write 8 in there.
Huh? And then
Because 7 plus 1 equals 8.
7
Does that make sense, Aiden?
equals 1. Not really.
Okay, so here's how we make 8, right? If we had a different number sentence to make 8, we could say 7 plus 1 equals 8, right? Right, because that equals 8. To make it easier on ourselves when we're adding big numbers, we're just separating our 7 and our 1 so that it's easier. So then that way we just have to know our doubles fact, which we know like that, right? And then we just have to add 1. That way we can just go 7 plus 7 equals blank plus 1 equals 7 plus 8. Okay. Does that make more sense? You're not going to have to use the 8.
Then what do I do with the last one?
You add them all together, buddy. So what's 7 plus 7?
Mr. Cheetah.
1 second, Liam.
14.
Yep.
14.
14. Yep. And then you add 1.
15.
Yep. So that's your answer. So
Okay.
really, 7 plus 8. Oh, let's see if it's going to work. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Does that make more sense now, Zayden?
Yes.
Okay. Liam, you had a question?
I have a question.
1 second, Erin, okay?
I did.
Go ahead, Liam.
Can you read problem number 6 for me?
This one, the red one?
Yep.
Yes, I can. It says, let me erase all that, hold on. It says, Bo has 6 toys. Mia has 7 toys. How many toys do they have? And you're just going to do the same thing we've been doing, and you're going to add 7 and 6. Okay?
Okay.
Erin, what was your question?
Sir, do we have show and tell?
Not today, but I think we have it on Friday.
No, it's math time. Now mute.
All right, Sophia, did you have a question, honey?
Could you read the next page on number 2,
Yes, I can.
please?
It says circle the part you take from the group, cross it out, then write the difference. So 8 minus 6, you're going to cross out however many you're taking away, and then write however many is left, okay?
Teacher.
Who said that? Somebody call my name? Alakai, did you need help?
Yes.
What's up, Alakai? Which one can I help you with?
What page are we on?
You are supposed to be doing page 153, so 153, and page 154, 154, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Zayden,
Can you mute number 3,
this one?
please? Yes.
Yes, it says there are 7 gray kittens. 2 kittens are black. How many fewer black kittens are there than gray kittens? Use the bar model to solve, then write the number difference. And this is a takeaway. It's a subtraction one, okay? So you have 7, take away 2. How many are left?
5.
Yep. So you got it.
I'm done.
All right, you may pull out a book and read, okay? We're almost done with class, though.
Okay.
Sophia? No, you don't need it? Okay. All right, Sophia?
I did the last page.
You finished? Okay, you can pull out a book and read, but we don't have that much longer left in class, okay?